Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to backtest. Like if you want to start practicing trading, like if you want to test out your strategy that you just learned. So here's a way. So let's get into the video. So how I like to do it is we first go to Google, look up FXReplay. Yeah, this should be the website, fxreplay.com. Or you can just type in fxreplay.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you guys can like go right there and just try it out. I'm going to show you how to sign up, creating the account in the entire process. Click get started to be right there. So you can either sign up with Google or you can enter your email. Let's enter our email so I can show you the full process. Username. So the password must have at least 8 characters and contain at least one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Then a special character. So for me, I'm going to give that. Alright, so once you're done with signing up, you're going to be brought to this screen. So this is the screen that confuses most people. Then right after signing up, you click start for free. But if you want to pay, you can pay over here, but I don't think it's worth it. So start for free. Proceed to check out. First name, then click subscribe. So as you can see, the payment is 0.00, so you won't need to pay. It's 100% free. We shall be taken to the dashboard. So you'll be asked a couple of questions. How would you describe your experience in trading? Novice trader, intermediate, experienced trader, professional trader. So yeah, I'm gonna just put experienced. What are you trading? What are you trying to improve? Next. So then they'll send you an email for verification. So you have the most recent email, and you find it right there. Then you click confirm my email. So my email has been verified and I've been brought to the website. Let's now wait. Or you can go back to the website that you're in previously, then you just refresh it. So this screen here is unimportant, honestly. Like this is probably some kind of advertisement or something. So just click on the side. Just click on the side. It's going to disappear. So now this is our dashboard. Here it's going to show that amount of time you have invested totally. Like if you're trading in like how many days, like how much time have you put into backtesting? It's going to come up right here. Then historical time replay is like they'll gather the data from all the previous times that you've backtested and they'll bring it right here. Then overall win rate, like if you're placing a trade, you can place a trade here as well, by the way. So if you're placing a trade, it's going to show you win rate, then here the amount of trades you've taken. So to create a session so you can backtest, you need to come right here, session, create session, then you choose a name. So I'm just going to name that YouTube. Then account balance, I don't like putting like a very high amount. I like putting amounts that I'm able to deposit for like a funded account I'm trading. So right now I'm trading a 5,000 funded account. So I'm going to put 5,000. Then here's where you now set your pair. Let me start with CAD JPY. So if you're using the free subscription, you're allowed with about 5 to 6 pairs maximum. So I like to use Oanda. Okay, bro, like you can use any. Me, I'm just comfortable with using Oanda. I don't have any specific reasons. It's not that it's based on the previous one. I'm just used to using Oanda because it's one I see mostly. So yeah, CAD JPY, USD JPY. One, two, three, four, five. Let me see if I can add another. I think the maximum is 6. Chart layout. So like just like trading view, like you can customize your chart background, like the candlesticks. You click your favorite tools, yeah. And like when you're creating a new session and you don't repeat, so when you do all of that, you can like save your layout. When you create a new session, you can just come back here and select it. So right now I haven't saved our layout, so we can't really select any right now because we haven't saved any. So now the initial time, this is the time that you want to backtest. So me, I like to go back way back, like let's say May. So I don't like putting any day before the first Friday of the month because that's NFP. That's NFP, so I like putting it like a few days after NFP. So around there, then end date, I put the most recent one, which is, then from there we create session, and here's where everything now begins. If you practice in trading, here's where it all now begins. So me, the time when I was practicing trading, like I didn't have this, I did not know about this at all. The only thing I knew about was TradingView, but TradingView was for paying. Like if you wanted to backtest, you had to pay. So I didn't know about this at all. I had zero knowledge of this. So I was practicing with actual market price. Personally, I do not like having indicators on my screen, so I'm just going to remove this. Right click over here, remove, and if you can't drag around your chart, you can either click right here and remove that auto, then you can drag it around, or you can right click on the numbers, then you click right here auto, you remove it, and here you can swing it around. And if you do not like a black background, you could just right click, go to settings, then canvas. I don't like having the gray line, so I'm going to click here, then none, background, click solid, then select whatever color you want. So me, I want white. And also the candlesticks, if you don't like the color of the candlesticks, you can change them as well. Go back to settings, go to symbol, then these are the colors. So and also for the time zone, here's where you select your time zone. Anyway, so how do you now backtest? So before that, let me first show you how to like set up the entire thing and like save your layout. So I'm going to go and set a time frame. So me personally, I like using time frames like that add to like 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So 1 minute. So those are time frames I like using. So let's now go to the 1 hour time frame, and on top of that 15. So also saving our tools. So let me save the main tools. So I like using this. I use it a lot. Trend line, then also horizontal ray. So next one, note how time set my settings. And then also long and short position, I use that. Price range, I use it sometimes. Then the brush, that's like for the videos. The arrow also for the video. Then this, I use this a lot. I use this a lot. Also a circle, I use that. Also, I like to add this as well, because like when I'm like, so the reason I like adding that is because I'm like, let's say for example, when I'm like using this tool, the only way to remove this tool, you can't like remove it from here. You have to like come all the way here and click this, but I don't like doing that, so I like just tapping here, then boom, I remove it. Anyway, so let's remove the drawings. Here's where you now save your layout. So it saves manually, but like if you want to change the name, you can just click rename. Then I like putting usual, and just that is already saved. So whenever I'm like creating a new session, I could just go to a place of layout, then boom, I can pick this, and the chart's going to return exactly like this with the exact tools that are right here. So how do you backtest? So this market, you can see it's on an uptrend, right? We're on a 2 hour time frame. Yeah, it's on an uptrend. So let's first set our key levels. So for backtesting, so you can choose the time frame you want, but like I like selecting this option on. So the reason I like selecting this option on is because like it's synced to the time frame I'm choosing it. So if I go to a 1 hour time frame, it automatically changes here as well to a 1 hour time frame. If I go to a 5 minute time frame, also here it automatically changes to a 5 minute time frame. But if I like unselect it and I go to the 30 minutes, it stays 5. And I just don't like coming back here and like selecting blah blah blah. So yeah, all right, so 5 minute time frame, then I click play. Let's now wait until the market moves. So you want a rejection, then you can look for buys. There we go, there's a rejection, so I can look for buys right here, then stop loss around there, then TP maybe there. So if you want to buy, here's how you select your lot size. Remember that much I told you about the $5,000. So for calculating, you can't calculate from it, like you have to use external applications. So let's use a lot size of 2, then you click buy, then setting our TP, we use this, then stop loss, we click here, then drag it down, then you just click play. Race trading. The funny thing is that it's going to go up later on. There you go. could have been my profit if my stop loss was a little bit lower. But anyways, yeah, that's the video in if you want to backtest, here's how you can practice. And I wish you all the best in your trading career.